In this video, I'll show you how to create a Roblox account with parental controls for your child. So let's get started. First, visit the Roblox website or launch the Roblox app. On the homepage, you'll see the sign up section. Enter your child's date of birth, then create a username and password for the account. After that, select the gender if you want and click the sign up button to create the account. Once the account is created, click on the settings icon at the top right corner and select settings from the drop-down menu. Inside settings, go to the parental controls section and click the add parent button. Now, enter your parent email address and click the send email button. Next, check your parent email inbox and open the email you received from Roblox. Inside the email, you will see two options: create account, use existing account. If you don't have a parent Roblox account, click create account and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. But if you already have a parent account, click use existing account and log in to your parent account. After logging in, you will see a screen showing your child's account. From here, click the agree button. This will allow you to manage and monitor your child's activity. From here, you can set content restrictions, communication settings, spending restrictions, visibility and private servers, trending and inventory, blocked users. After adjusting these settings, the account will be ready for your child to use safely. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials.